Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're probably all aware of Kobe Bryant's recent passing, which is super sad. And today at the Staples Center, they had his memorial. So I thought I would do a painting kind of in honor of him with the Lakers colors. So I'm going to be using white, purple, yellow gold, and a little bit of black. And I'm going to try something kind of fun, which will be a traveling tree ring, but in basically a spiral, which I think can be kind of cool. And then I would like to add his numbers on there. So I'm just going to layer these colors in here. This is a 10 by 10 canvas I have under here. That's all the black I'm going to use. So black can tend to take over. All right. Lots of purple. I like purple. Do some more gold and then some more white, and that should pretty much wrap us up, I think. Gold can also kind of take over. And it's a yellow gold because their colors, I mean, if you look it up online, it's kind of either yellow or gold, depending on who you ask. All right, I'm going to throw a little more purple in there because, you know, why not? All right, so what we're going to do is starting here in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and start my tree ring and then kind of go around. I haven't done it like this, so I'm really just hoping that this will work out. So far, this looks pretty dope. That's cool. All right. We're going to go ahead and do our tilting. Wanted to do something a bit more unique for this piece. And good news is it's looking like I didn't use too much black. Awesome. I'm really liking this. I think that worked perfectly. Okay, let's let this sit here for a little bit. We'll see if anything else develops. And then I'm going to decide where I want to add the team numbers. You can definitely wait till the painting's dry to add stickers or any other embellishments. But in this case, I'm going to actually do it wet so that the tape or the wet paint will help it adhere actually. And these are stickers that are like puffy, they pop up, so they won't just sink in. So we'll be back. All right, we're back. We've got a little cell action around the sides here. I am super in love with this. Okay, so I have these gold puffy stickers, and I am just gonna gingerly, because you don't want to move them after you place them. So here we go. Let us hope. All right, the 2 is down, and it's not sinking, so that's good. And come on, the 4. Okay, there we go. And it's now a part of the painting. Let's do our close-up. All right, starting in the lower right-hand corner, coming up. So I am just, could not be more thrilled with how this worked out. The colors just went perfectly together. Everything really cooperated. This is a beautiful piece. I think it's awesome. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. My prayers go out to Kobe and his family and everybody else that was on that helicopter. I hope you guys like this as much as I do, and I will see you all next time.